The Sarmert C1 5K dash cam provides extraordinary video clarity with its 5120 by 2160 pixel resolution, making it stand out in the dash cam market. Its advanced Sony STARVIS Image Sensor and 6-glass lens array ensure impressive night vision, capturing minute details even in low-light conditions. With built-in dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the dash cam allows seamless connectivity to your devices, making video viewing and sharing effortless via the RoadRec app. Integrated GPS functionality records your exact driving route, location, and speed, providing crucial information in the event of an accident. The dash cam's loop recording and G-sensor features ensure continuous recording and secure important footage automatically when a collision is detected. It supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage and offers additional features like motion detection, time-lapse recording, and emergency video lock, enhancing its reliability and convenience.